Ha ka Jingpe Paidbah ya ka Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture SICPAC. Laidon lang usembut Myntri Rangbah ke jela ubak Preston Tensong, Menteri Ketenat Arts and Culture ubak San Borshulai, Menteri Ketenat PHE ubak Renekton Lengdok Tongkar, ki MLA, ki MDC, ki Head Officer Sarkar, pat kibai-kibai. Lasnai ke SICPAC ha ka Jinglut ke Bakot, Shispa San Puwei Point Lai Klur Tengka. Ha ka Jingbai Tengka jong Ketenat Kesurkar Pedeng, kata Ketenat Tribal Affairs, Ketenat Development of North Eastern Region, bat ke North Eastern Council. Kabalong Shispa Lai Punrio Point Arnot Klur Tengka, bat ya kakatsan point Iwai Lai Klur Tengka pat labai de Kesurkar Jela. Ya ke SICPAC latih ya ke jaka kebadan kumbasau po akar, bat la pelat ya ke mang tengka jong ke project aga arpunyo trek ulber arajar katsau. Kat bai ka kam kontrak la IT ha ke arpsan trek urempang arajar katsan. Haga bal aipor badai wancna pendap no ahpo ka laipui trek unopra arajar katpra. Ndra ya ke project la sna pendap menta ke senem. Hapo jong ke SICPAC kadan ka multi-purpose theater kabadan Syihajar Nyospa Lep Kendai Tili Kejakashong na kebentai kinong petkai, ka Little Theater kabadan Laispa Art Tili Kejakashong, ka Black Box Theater kabadan Sunspa Nyopsau Tili Kejakashong, bat ke Open Air Theater kaban Nyam Khatsan Hajarngut kinong petkai. Kadan ru ka Art Gallery, ka Sky Theater, ka Exhibition Space, ka VIP Enclosure Area, ka Auditorium, kabadan Nikarensan ka Balakban Syat Pelun, ka VIP Banquet Hall, ka VIP Lounge, ka VIP Restroom, ka Tribal Museum, ka Media Center, ka Television and AV Studio, ka Library, ka Food Court, bat ke Jakarta Rekam. Habakran kongsan ha ka Jingple ya ke SICPAC. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong, bakani ke Jakarta kan long kerensan ke Batamai bat ke Papaka, ban penlong ya ke tem kaput ne kinu-kinu ke program ke bahaya. La ka long karwai ke siau, ke tem kaput, ke jing peninam ya ke lariti, ne ban penlong ya ke film festival. Bat kam tam ke ban peninam, ya ke rukam tan jeng tan ki Paidbah ke jela. Bat ke tan cite lam mingi hi berok kawai. Uloong ba ke SICPAC kan long ru ke rensan menajih kai ki samla ke jela, bat ke tan cite lam mingi, ha karwai ke siau, ke tem kaput, bat kibai-kibai. Kenang bakan long pat kalat ki samla ban yok kam yok jam, hadian habut. La pensyong kun ni ke Jingple ya ke SICPAC da ke jingi shimbenta jeng ki kun hun tem, bat ki kun hun ruai ki bapau jeng ke jela. Ki bekentup ke Shillong Chamber Choir, ke Somersault, ke Penter Orchestra, ke Magnificent Seven, bat kiwai-kiwai ki belapan senguh tenat, ya ki belawan syakan ya ke Jingyalang. Habling pun hikmah, tungin yang lengkawai.
When I entered this hall and felt the ambience out here, I felt that I was not in Shillong anymore. And I'm sure that most of you felt like that and still feel like this while you sit here and enjoy the performances and really the overall atmosphere and this entire setup that we have out here. And in order to make things even better and even more exciting and make us feel that we really, for a moment, that we are not here anymore but in a different place, I also like to take this opportunity to thank the Government of India, especially the Donor Ministry, the NEC, and the Tribal Affairs Ministry that have funded majority of the funds required to construct and make this project possible, and of course, some fund that was provided by the Art and Culture Department of the Government of Meghalaya. And as mentioned by so many speakers before me, that this is an appropriate day for us to inaugurate this beautiful auditorium and this entire center, and more importantly, dedicate this to the younger generation and to the future generation on this very, very great day of celebrating the children of our state and the country as a whole.